A man who pleaded guilty to murder almost 30 years ago walks out of a Houston County Superior Courtroom as a free man today. After listening to facts and witness testimony and 2 hours of deliberation, a jury found Timothy Johnson not guilty. 41 NBC's Elaine Rackley was inside the courtroom as the victim's family erupted with emotion.
Timothy Johnson has sat behind bars for nearly 3 decades. He was accused of killing Teresa Stanley in a convenience store armed robbery in 1984. Thursday, a Houston County Superior Court jury handed down a not guilty verdict. Johnson initially pled guilty to the murder when he was arrested, but his attorney, Stacey Morris, was able to prove to the jury back then he waived his right to having an attorney unknowingly.
I felt like justice had been served. It was the right verdict given the evidence that the jury heard, and the jury had a tough job given the emotional nature of the case, and they did the right thing.
Morris said she was so impressed with how intelligent and determined Johnson was about his case, so much so that she worked pro bono on the trial, not receiving a fee.
When Mr. Johnson wrote me a letter asking for just some help on motions, said he was going to represent himself and that he needed some help with motions, and I came down and helped him.
Houston County Superior Court Chief Judge George Nunn Jr. warned everyone in the courtroom about their conduct before reading the verdict. But when Judge Nunn read the not guilty verdict, one of Stanley's 3 daughters wept, and Stanley's husband had to be restrained and escorted out of the courtroom.
All I want to do is sit down. Let's go.
Everybody's down.
It'll be fine.
The man said I couldn't handle it. Okay. That's all I want to do.
That's fine.
However, on the other side of the courtroom, Johnson's family sat quietly until they were able to hug him. One by one, they embraced the now free man.
Oh, wow. I feel phenomenally well right now. I cannot express how excited and overwhelming I am just to be able to move forward with life at this point.
In Perry, Elaine Rackley, 41 NBC News.
Absolutely unbelievable story. Well, Johnson's attorney said he was so excited about the not guilty verdict. Johnson said he didn't mind walking in the rain from the courthouse to the Houston County Detention Center in preparation to be released from the prison. Johnson did not testify during the trial.